Fun learning with kids. Hey kids! Ready to learn some cool English phrases for your daily routine? Let's get started. Hey kids! Ready to learn some cool English phrases for your daily routine? Wake up! Wake up! Wash your face. Wash your face. Take a shower. Take a shower. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Get dressed. Get dressed. Brush your hair. Brush your hair. Make your bed. Make your bed. Put on makeup. Put on makeup. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. Go to school. Go to school. Drive to work. Drive to work. 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 Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Have lunch. Have lunch. Leave school. Leave school. Take a nap. Take a nap. Have a snack. Have a snack. Do homework. Do homework. Play computer games. Play computer games. Read a book. Read a book. Play with toys. Play with toys. Ride a cycle. Ride a cycle. Go shopping. Go shopping. Listen to music. Listen to music. Exercise. Exercise. Mop the floor. Mop the floor. Take out the trash. Take out the trash. Go for a walk. Go for a walk. Watch TV. Watch TV. Do the laundry. Do the laundry. Hang the clothes. Hang the clothes. Iron the clothes. Iron the clothes. Make dinner. Make dinner. Have dinner. Have dinner. Dry your hair. Dry your hair. Go to bed. Go to bed. Thanks for watching, kids. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.